Finally, I get to introduce you guys to a project I've been wanting to talk about for a while. A friend approached me and asked if I could help them build their camper. They have a brand new 2024 Transit Connect. The space that it has, the features it has, it's going to be a fun build. Marianne is the owner of this vehicle and has a dream to travel eventually the world.
I do a lot of camping with my family, and I have 6 grandkids, and I always end up sleeping with one of them in their bunk bed, and I'm too old for that. So then I thought, well, what can I do that will work for me, where I don't have to pay for storage, where I can actually still use my vehicle and park it in my parking spot. So I thought the Transit Connect, and this has been the absolute best buy of my life. I would never go back to a car or a truck. I've had them all. I've absolutely loved this Transit Connect.